Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with Bobby, and in this video we are going to set up our store, and after that we are going to integrate it to our Next.js, or you can call it as our reactjs application. So we have already set up our actions, and for increment and decrement we have got some constant here, we have got reducers. Now we'll create our store.js. Yeah, so for store.js we need to install at reactjs toolkit. Earlier we used to use Redux. Now they have created reactjs toolkit, which has got Redux along with some more middlewares and default libraries like Redux Thunk that we're gonna talk about in later videos. And we'll also install React Redux, which is going to provide us a gateway to help us integrate our Redux store into our React application. Okay, it's already done, so we'll import configure store. Now we'll just import our reducer. Now reducer has got my initial state as well, so I'll import my reducer here. Import reducer. Now I'll just create a store. Now const store, and this is gonna be our configure store, and now this is gonna take my reducer, which is reducer. And there are some more functionalities which can be added over here, though right now this is going to be in basic example. Later on we're going to add some more functionality to it when we are going to see a broader example. So I'll just keep it like that, and we'll just export it. Export default store, like that. So this is how we have created our store. Now this is taken our reducer, and reducer already has our initial state, so this will go inside our store at the very initial stage when the store is created. Right now we can't directly use this store inside our React app. It won't be integrated as such. Now we need to create a provider for it. Now what we'll do, we'll create one redux provider.tsx will take, and then we'll just import our store provider from React Redux. Now React Redux is a JS library which is built to provide us this provider gateway so that we can integrate the store or make the store available to our React application. Now we can just import our store from our at and Redux and store. Yeah. Now what we'll do, we'll just take this layout example. Yeah. And like that, and we'll provide a Redux provider. This is going to take some React node. Now this function basically what it is doing, it is taking our React node. React node is totally, you can take a React component. It can be any React component, like this home, this page home. This is a React node, like that. So what it will do, and inside the body, what we'll just return div, and then we'll do provider, and this provider will take the store, which is store should be now this store has wrapped around our React app. Now we'll put children over here, like that. Simple, right? Now we need to use this Redux provider and wrap our main app inside this. So our main app runs from page.tsx. Now for those of you who are not aware of this next.js, just let me know in the comments if you want to know. Otherwise you can just Google it out, or if you're simply using simple React application without Next.js, then in that case you can directly do this in your app.js, right? And so what we'll do, we'll go to our layout. Instead of doing it in our page.tsx, we'll just do it in our layout. So what I'll do, and yes, inside our Redux provider we'll also need to import use client, because as you know, next.js is built for server-side rendering. So for all the stuff that will use client-side rendering, and this React Redux will use client-side rendering, as this is related to a local state. So we have to use this use client so that it will be rendered on the client side. Now we'll just go to our layout, and we'll just import our now we'll just import our Redux provider that we have already created, and we'll just wrap it around. I'll create one div, and I'll take Redux provider, and I'll take this children, and now boom, it works fine. I'll just run it for now. npm run dev, and yeah, it has started, and this will render this page, and you won't find any such difference as such, because right now we only have got this counters. Now if you want to see whether that store has been integrated, we can check the state, and in the next video I'll show you how you can debug that state. So thanks a lot for watching this.